Hey friends, this is Adam, and I have two quick updates I want to share. I'm really excited about these. I've been working and kind of drowning, looking for time to focus on getting all of my intermediate and professional SCA course bundles put together, and we're almost there. We've got barista, brewing, sensory roasting, and I'm working on green coffee now at the intermediate level. They're available online, and then the professional is going to follow right behind them. I've got a deadline to get brewing and barista done, and so all the others are going to follow, I promise. Until they get finished, here's the second piece of good news. I'm offering serious discounts on all of these intermediate professional primers. So check out the links below, go to howtocoffeepro.com, and you're gonna see the discounts there. Sign up for my email newsletter because that's where I share all of my promotions and the discounts and the updates and what courses are coming next. On the intermediate professional course primers, this is how it works. You purchase the course at How to Coffee Pro, and then you own it forever. You own the content. I'm going to be updating it, uploading more videos, all the theory, all the practicals, all the activities, the mock exams, everything is created to prepare you for the day you step into class with me or another AST trainer to pass your intermediate skills and your professional skills. That has to be done in person. Introduction and foundation can be done entirely online through my website. You can get certified. For the intermediate and professional, you can prepare for a month or two before your class, and then you come in and you don't have to sit through all the lectures. You don't have to worry and have the stress of trying to develop practical skills you didn't necessarily know were coming. You've been preparing for a month or two. And because the time is cut in half, the cost of the course is also cut in half when you do that in person with me or with my AST partners who honor that purchase. So if you're questioning what's the value or why to do it, you're gonna get everything, the whole suite of information, and you own it forever. You can review it multiple times within the intermediate and professional course program of the SCA. I'm really excited to bring this to you. It's been really challenging to get everything out in a way that I am personally satisfied with. And so it's going to be refilmed and rewritten and updated, and it's going to get better and better with time. And I welcome you to check out the courses, ask me any questions you have, and now's a great time to purchase those intermediate and professional courses. If you want to go deep or become an AST, maybe we can work together one day, I welcome you to check it out. howtocoffeepro.com, jump on my email list. Welcome to the community. Enjoy the playground. Let's grow together.